Please be advised, this exercise may not be for everyone. If you have been diagnosed with glaucoma, chronic migraines, or have had knee, ankle, or hip surgery, or have other physical problems, a physician's consultation is recommended before beginning any exercise regimen with this apparatus. Also, for post-surgery rehabilitation, it is recommended to seek the help of a personal trainer and/or gradually allow your body to adjust to the inversion machine. Take a comfortable sitting position on the mat. Grab the footholds and take one of them in your hand. Open it wide enough to fit your foot through and place your foot through the loop. Then Velcro the strap in place. Do the same with your other foot. Get familiar with the controls so that you know which button is up and which one is down. Raise your feet up to about 3 feet off of the ground and adjust the footholds so that they are as close to your ankles as possible. Make 5 to 10 circles to the outside and then reverse the same movement to the inside. This will warm up the feet and ankles and prepare them to hold your weight while hanging upside down. Turn your feet out so that your toes face away from your body. Press the up button to raise your body off of the mat, and lay down on your back as the machine slowly raises your feet into the air. Grab the low sidebar with your right hand for stability. Stop when the top of your head is about a foot away from the mat. Hang lifeless with your arms loose for 1 minute, and feel your spine decompress and realign. We call this the total body stretch or neutral position. This stretch helps you increase your blood circulation, allowing the blood to rush and revitalize the thousands of capillary vessels of your vascular system. Visualize the spine with the spacing of each vertebra from the sacral to the cervix. Visualization will help create spinal awareness for better body balance and employment of energy. Most importantly, this is the best way to stretch the entire body fast, uniformly, and naturally without applying external force and running the risk of injuring cold muscles before exercise. The inverted position provides generous blood flow for immediate warm-up and fast recovery before and after exercises and prepares you for more strenuous exertion. Open your arms and rotate your neck slowly clockwise and counterclockwise. Do at least 5 repetitions to start as you would in yoga. Notice the greater and immediate relief of any trauma and neck mobility as the neck vertebrae decompress. This exercise relieves physical and mental stress and is an extension of the previous exercise. Adjust your height accordingly and extend your arms forward to slightly arch your back. Bring the body to a maximum stretch with the head either up looking outward or hanging between the arms. Stay in this position for at least 30 seconds. Grab the single frontal bar and apply the body weight to stretch both your arms and shoulders and relax the head. Rest in this position for at least 30 seconds and return to neutral. Grab one of the left side bars with your left hand and pull yourself up to a left side bent stretch of the spine. Keep in this position for 30 seconds and progressively acquire lateral flexibility. You may rest your head on the lower bar as long as you can still feel the stretch along your side. Pass through the neutral position and repeat the previous exercise to stretch the left side of your spine. Remember, you may rest your head on the lower bar as long as you can still feel the stretch along your side. Extend both of your arms and lift your torso to a full bend to grab your ankles. Hold this position initially for 10 seconds and work your way up to a greater time for good frontal pelvis flexibility. This will also stretch the calves, hamstrings, and lower back muscles. Return your body to neutral. Stay in this position to recover energy and prepare for your next exercise. Now, before beginning the conditioning part of this exercise, it is important to note that these exercises must be executed slowly to avoid too much swinging while hanging upside down. This forces you to engage your core in each exercise for stability, which is one of the many things that make this total body workout superior to other workouts. Also, do not forget to breathe. Take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, much like in Pilates while executing these exercises. If you ever get lightheaded or just need a break, return to the neutral position and breathe, or come down from the machine to rest for a minute or two. It may take some time to work up to executing the entire workout in one sitting. Now for the mini sit-ups. Join your hands behind your head and perform 5 small sit-ups to work the abdominal muscles. Be careful that you do not pull your head into your chest with your hands so that your abs do all of the work. Now we will do the full sit-ups. Keeping the hands behind your head, do 5 to 10 full sit-ups. Bring your torso to a full sit-up position as you would if you were sitting on the ground. Again, try not to pull your head with your hands so that your abs do all of the work. Return your body to neutral for full and fast energy recovery. Do 5 sit-ups all the way to a full bend of the torso and try to touch your ankles. We call this the super sit-up. Return your body to the neutral position for full and fast energy recovery. Now we will do a second round of super sit-ups. Do an additional 5 super sit-ups. Grab the 2 lower sidebars in the front and bring the body to a full spinal arch. We call this the total abdominal stretch because it stretches every muscle in the abdominal area. Allow your abdominals to stretch for recovery of energy and hold for 30 seconds to a minute. Return to the neutral position for just a second. Then proceed to grab the 2 higher bars and repeat the exercise for an even greater stretch of the abdominals. Return to the neutral position to prepare for the next exercise. Bend your arms and clasp your hands behind your head to prepare for the right side crunches. Perform 5 repetitions of crunches on the right side to strengthen the oblique muscles. Do the same 5 repetitions on the left side. Return to neutral for fast recovery of energy and hold for as long as your body needs. With your hands behind your head, do a 360-degree crunch and extend as much as possible. Do 2 repetitions on each side of this exercise for a magnificent midsection. This will target the rectus and transverse abdominals, internal and external obliques, and lower back muscles, which is why we call it the Super Killer Abs exercise. Grab the lower sidebar in the front of the frame and arch your back again to feel a total stretch of your abs for fast recovery. Keep the body in this position for 1 to 2 minutes or until more flow of energy is felt. Extend your arms and arch your back to obtain a full stretch of both arms and abdominal muscles. Hold this position for 30 seconds and prepare to condition the arms and legs next. Grab the lower side bars and pull your torso in a single motion with the legs. Imagine that you are trying to kick your buttocks with your heels. Attempt this exercise for 5 to 10 consecutive times for tighter back thigh muscles. Try to use your leg muscles only for this exercise. The arms are there for stability and alignment purposes, but may be used if you need the extra support. Also, try to keep the back straight so that more effort is directed towards the leg muscles. Grab the two lowest horizontal bars of the machine in the middle for a perfect vertical position. Push up with your arms and pull up the body with your legs simultaneously, distributing equal muscle exertion. This exercise will work effectively in developing all muscles of your extremities, including the inner thigh abductors. Repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times with legs parallel and 5 to 10 more times with the legs turned out. Return to neutral for fast recovery of energy. Lower your body to produce the highest resistance for your arms. Grab the lower bars at the center for a perfect vertical position and push your body vertically with only your arms. Do 5 repetitions and work your way up to 10 or more. This exercise will strengthen your biceps, triceps, and deltoids. Grab 2 of the lateral bars and pull your torso up with both arms, distributing the weight of the body to develop larger triceps. Do 5 to 10 repetitions. Grab the single posterior bar with both arms and pull your chin up to the bar. Do this exercise 5 to 10 times. The hands may be reversed to target a different muscle group as well. Extend both of your arms. Bring them to join your hips, and from this position, bring them forward and then all the way backward with maximum extension to draw an arch in the air of slightly over 180 degrees. Repeat this exercise 15 times for looser arms and shoulder joints and greater energy recovery. Grab the side bars and let the weight of the body fall into the scapula. Keep your arms as straight as possible without locking your elbows. With your shoulder and scapular muscles, push your body vertically and then lower your weight back down. You may have to bend your knees for stability, but try to use the shoulders and scapular muscles only. Repeat this exercise 15 times to relieve stress of the spine and further loosen the shoulder joints. This will also strengthen the muscles of the shoulders and scapula, including the deltoids, trapezius, rhomboids, rotator cuffs, and teres major and minor. It also has the potential to strengthen the latissimus dorsi if done properly. Grab the single frontal bar and apply the body weight to stretch both your arms and shoulders and relax the head. Rest in this position for at least 30 seconds and return to neutral. Just rest in the neutral position for a few minutes to prepare your mind and body for the weight exercises. Note that most of these exercises can be done with weights added, but we have included some additional exercises with weights. Remember that the abdominals must be engaged at all times for stability. Grab your free weights and set them in position to do the weight exercises. Set the weights down and adjust your height so that you are able to place your hands on the mat with straight arms. Then grab the weights and pull them up to meet your shoulders 10 times. This will work your biceps, trapezius, and the outside portion of the latissimus dorsi. Now extend the arms out to a 90-degree angle in front of you. Make sure your palms are facing each other. Repeat this motion 10 times. Leave one of the weights on the mat and take the other in both hands by the small of your back. Lower the weight towards the head and push up towards the buttocks. Repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times. Pull the weights up to your shoulders and draw an arc with the weights from the starting point to the horizontal position behind you. Your arms should go from a bent position to a straight position, and palms should be facing each other. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. This exercise is especially susceptible to swinging of the machine, so remember to engage your abs for stability and do the movements very slowly. This will work another portion of the triceps and posterior deltoids. Set the weights down and lower your body to do another stretch of the arms and shoulders. Hold this position for about 30 seconds or until you have recovered enough energy to keep going. Go to the neutral position to recover for the shoulder builder, the last part of the upper body conditioning. When you are ready, take your straight arms with the weights in hands and draw as much of a circle as you can. Your hands should end at a 90-degree angle behind your body. Repeat this motion at least 5 times. This will work the triceps, latissimus dorsi, and all of the shoulder muscles. Set the weights down and extend the arms to the front of the mat for arm and shoulder recovery like we have done before. You may either lift or relax the head. Grab the 2 loops attached to the footholds and secure your wrists inside. Now pull your body through so that your stomach is facing the ground and your back is arched into an upside-down bridge position. This exercise is only for those athletes who have very advanced flexibility. Let your body hang in this reversed position for as long as you can or until you feel you have attained the maximum stretch possible. You should feel a stretch in almost every major muscle group in the body. Carefully release yourself out of this position and hang lifeless to conclude this exercise. Hang in the neutral position one last time. Then tuck your chin to your chest and grab the lower sidebar with the left hand as you lower your body back down onto the mat. Proceed to stand up and feel the boost of energy and increased circulation you have gained from a successful inversion workout. Good job!